Is spreading a false rumor a crime in the state of Oklahoma? I'm Tulsa attorney James Wirth, and that is the question that we have. And we've got the statute pulled up. It's Title 21, Section 781, and it is called false rumors of a slanderous nature. And it actually creates a misdemeanor offense for that, where it's anywhere from 30 days to 120 days in jail if you are convicted, and a fine of $100 to $500. So yes, spreading a false rumor can be a crime in the state of Oklahoma. It can be prosecuted. People can be thrown in jail for it. However, we also have First Amendment rights. So that can be used as a defense to a lot of allegations if we're talking about spreading a rumor. So what is the big difference between it being actionable and non-actionable? It generally has to do with the intent element. So here's what the statute says. Any person who shall willfully, knowingly, or maliciously repeat or communicate to any person or persons a false rumor of a slanderous or harmful nature may be guilty of a misdemeanor offense. And that's whether it's a private citizen, an officer, or a candidate for office. If you spread a false rumor of a slanderous nature, which is harmful, then that can be a criminal offense that you're prosecuted for. But the thing that makes it from being protected speech and not protected speech generally is going to fall in that willful part. Willful, knowingly, or malicious. So obviously people spread gossip all the time. They spread rumors. If you know the rumor is false and you spread it, that's where it starts getting into this gray area where it could be a criminal offense and you got to be careful. If you are spreading it with malice, meaning you know that it's not true, but you are intending to hurt this person's reputation or hurt them in some other way, that's where you got to worry about prosecution. So practically speaking, we virtually never see this charged. Even though people talk stuff, about stuff all the time. The one case that I have seen it charged is when the person alleged to have been defamed by a false rumor was a prosecutor. So that's obviously more dangerous there. But this is a criminal offense in the state of Oklahoma. It can be charged. It does have to be balanced with the First Amendment. But if you're dealing with this type of case or any other criminal case in the state of Oklahoma, you're going to want to talk to an attorney privately and confidentially to receive legal advice relevant to your circumstances. To get that scheduled with an attorney at my office, you can go online to makelaweasy.com.